Sangeeta Lal live in Burnham-on-Sea for us this evening. Sangeeta, the pubs have only just been open a week, so this is going to be another hit to their business.
Yeah, Jonty, it's a real blow for staff who've been waiting months to finally reopen. The Somerset and Dorset pub, as you say, closed last night after a customer told staff they'd tested positive for the virus, but apparently weren't showing symptoms when they came to drink here. But this is the second pub to close since the restrictions were eased. Last week, the Lighthouse pub just round the corner from here had to close after a customer tested positive for the virus, and through the track and trace system, that's meant a nearby takeaway also had to close. That takeaway is due to reopen tonight, and actually the Lighthouse pub is due to reopen on Monday. So in total, that pub would have been closed for about a week. A slightly different story for the Somerset and Dorset pub, which closed last night and is actually due to reopen in a few days' time. Earlier, I caught up with the bar manager here, who told me that they are doing everything they can to get the pub safe and deep cleaned, but that they're devastated the virus has spread here.
It's upsetting, we were all quite glad to be back at work after being, away for so long, and it's nice to see people, it's quite a regulars pub, we get a lot of old folk that come in to be sociable, and it's those people you feel for. We didn't have to shut, we were informed by the government that we can stay open, but for staff safety and residential safety, we've shut for 72 hours.
Well, this comes exactly a week after pubs and bars across the country were told they could reopen, and many people I've spoken to here today tell me they're particularly concerned that restrictions are being eased.
Yes, it's not great, really. It's not, obviously shows that it's still about.
I think they should stay closed for now until we know full well that there is no new cases, because at the end of the day, you're passing a pint, you're sipping the drink, and people in pubs, when they're drunk, they don't care. They're going to touch each other, and I'm actually quite shocked, to be honest, that it's happened this quickly.
Well, to try and ease concerns, staff here have been deep cleaning from early hours of this morning, and all staff have been tested for coronavirus. They're still waiting for those results to come through, and they actually say they chose to close. They didn't have to, but did so voluntarily as a precaution. Public Health England have commended their quick response and say that anyone drinking here doesn't really need to worry or self-isolate unless they are contacted through the NHS track and trace system. Well, staff are waiting for their coronavirus results to come back, but they are hoping to reopen early next week.
Sangeeta Lal live in Burnham-on-Sea. Thank you.